So this is the touch bundle. Obviously that was the criticism of Oculus for a long time, was that you got the headset, you got one sensor, and then you got an Xbox controller as well. But when you compare that to things like the Vive that came out a bit later, because it had the controllers, it gave you like an in-game hand presence. Well, this is Oculus's answer. In my opinion, because I have used these are vastly superior to what HTC offer. But then again, there's tracking issues. There's pluses and minuses. I mean, the main plus for the Oculus at the moment is, you know, this whole set costs £500 directly from Oculus. You can get it for less. You can get it for about $460. You compare that to the cost of the Vive, which is still around £650 in the UK, and it comes in a rather sexy box. Okay guys, so we've zoomed in a bit, and this is what you get in the box. You get a really sexy box. You get the headset, which feels really light, actually. Very, very light. Looks like it comes with a reasonable length cable. The other thing I like about the Oculus is that you get the included headphones. You don't have to wear headphones, and these are actually very good by all accounts from what I've heard about reviews. It's also a bit lighter than the Vive from when I remember using the Vive. You get two sensors included there and there. Now the good thing about these is you can, probably not going to be able to demonstrate it, but these unscrew and they're G2 fittings, so the same as a hot shoe and a camera, so you can mount these up high, which is what I will be doing when I get a third sensor for 360 play. You get some gubbins, don't know what comes in here, probably some like crap from Oculus. Yes it is. Oh right, okay, it's batteries and a remote control. That's cool. Look at that later. Then you get these. These are the little controller units for in-hand presence, and I can tell you they feel absolutely amazing in your hands. I've used these, I've demoed them. These are great. This is all capacitive, so no matter where your hands are, the Oculus knows where your fingers are in volumetric space. So much better than what HTC offer at the moment. But again, they'll catch up. And that's it guys, that's pretty much everything you get in the box. So all I need to do now is set all this stuff up and start using it, start testing it, and then I'll give you a video on how this actually uses the sensors to measure where you are in volumetric space, and then the best setup for you, whether it's in 180 or normal play, which is what Oculus call it, or 270 degrees, which is a slightly kind of extended range you can do with two sensors, or the full 360, which you need a third sensor for, which I will be buying very shortly, I imagine, as soon as I can find one for less than £130 is what they're going for on eBay at the moment, which is ridiculous. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the unboxing of the Oculus Rift. It's great, and I'll see you later. Bye.